I'm about to try this vlog life.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss.
Tea time. Okay, y'all. This is officially my first vlog to, what I said I'm gonna name it? Lovett's Life. Lovett Life. Lovett Life. I don't know, whatever y'all see up here in that title, that's what I named it. So here, I just want to give y'all a brief introduction. It's not gonna be like this all the time. Trust and believe. It's gonna be a day in my life, shopping maybe, me venting, whatever the case may be, eating, doing my hair, whatever, y'all. I'm trying to keep it interesting, as interesting it can be. But for the most part, just kick back, be nosy like I be nosy in them other vlogs I be watching. Because, baby, that's why I watch my vlogs. I'm like, oh, let me see what kind of curtains those are. Let me see that and that. Da, 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 da. Baby, I be all up in your house. Thanks. So I just wanted to share my experience and also more or less make a video diary so I can look back at my own self and be like, girl, you was a hot mess. Oh, girl, you was really doing that, you know, so on and so forth. But this part of my life, I'm not necessarily trying to start over, because who trying to start over? No, not I, says the fly. I'm just trying to reset. Let's say reset. I like that. Reset, okay? So I'm trying to reset. I'm trying to get my body all the way together. I'm trying to get my health, more importantly, together. Because a girl want to live. I want to live, be able to tell the story. Reach a new level of financially in the name of Jesus. Praise be to God. So I was like, let me just start documenting all this stuff. So that's pretty much, you're going to get a little this, that, and a little something, something. And hopefully I can put it all together in a freaking vlog that is somewhat worth watching. We'll see. So I know y'all probably hear that noise. They didn't know I was starting a vlog today. So they kind of acting a fool out there. But I said, you know what? I was going to be like, I can't start today because they're making all that noise. Nope. We're going to start today. Noise and all. So this is my life. it comes with noise. It comes with, you know, jacked up little stuff every now and then. But guess what? It comes also with laughter, good times, and fun. So I just want y'all to share it all. So let me finish my tea. And so we could go and get shopping or wherever the heck we going. So y'all want some?
396 50 30. 713 39.
Okay, y'all, we're at our first stop, which is what? Goodwill. Yes. So let's get shopping.
Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it.
Okay, y'all, we finished with the Goodwill. I couldn't talk in there because they got too much copyright music or what have you. Ain't got time for all that. So I just try to get y'all, do as much footage, and then I'll do a haul to show y'all what I actually bought. But, ooh, baby, we won today. We won a little too much. Y'all can see that in the back. I'm so excited. Okay, guys, I want to do a quick Goodwill haul, what I got from Goodwill. Duh, right? So this is that material that y'all saw in the store. I had to get it, y'all. Oh, my God. I want to do a DIY wall treatment with this material that I saw another YouTuber do. And I thought this was... Look how much is on here, guys. Let me show y'all. Look, that's a lot, I hope. Because y'all even see that. And this is the area that, don't look at the ladder, but this is the area I'm going to put the material in. But don't worry about it. Of course, I'm going to video it. But I'm going to do it all against this wall over here. The wall, the material. Pray. Cross some fingers and pray. All right, I got this purse that I thought was super cute. And this was only $4.99, y'all. And I got the stand, the display, whatever the mess is called. I got that also from Goodwill. And this was only $2.99. And I got this little cute little tea light thing. I love hearts, y'all. So when I see a heart, it's hard for me not to get it, okay? I just thought it was super cute. And this was only $2.99. And I love brass, gold. Y'all, I'm really into my brass, gold, copper, the whole 9 yards. So I got all 3 of these items from Goodwill. And speaking of brass, gold, what have you, I got this, what they call this, a chafing? I don't know what it's called. Yeah, I think I'm a party planner. And I thought this would be perfect for one of my little hosting gigs that I do here at the house. And just buy like just little aluminum containers and place it in it. But it just to give a cute little presentation. You can put anything in there. So I might find like a little glassware. Who knows? But the thing overall is metal or what have you. And it was 40% off. So I got that for $5, y'all. That's a nice little size for $5, and it's about to be cute. And continuing with the brass, I got this cute lamp as well as the light bulb came with it. Oh, y'all, this is so cute to me. I've been looking for another lamp, not like I really need one, but I wanted a brass lamp, a big one, to go with this lampshade. I'll show you now. So I bought the lamp for this lampshade, which I also got from a thrift store. The lamp with the bulb that y'all just saw was only $6.99. And the lampshade, I think I paid $1 for it or 50 cents. Y'all, it was cheap. So I just thought this was super freaking cute. And it goes with my theme, my bedroom theme. So look how cute that is. $6.99. Come on, baby. Where you gonna find a lamp for $6? The bulb itself cost $6 dang dollars. But I just thought it was super cute, guys. And even though I told myself I wasn't gonna get any clothes, but I'm into these graphic tees now. I think I'm at my limit. And I saw these cute little graphic tees that I just could not pass up. And I think that's gonna be my little theme for the summer. Just to have something to throw on something. And I thought these were cute. Now let me tell you how good God is. Because normally, these shirts would have all been $5.99. To me, I think that's high. You know, your girl be wanting 50 cents all the time. But a man checked me out. And so, girl, y'all, boys and girls, he thought these were children's shirts. I don't know why, but hey, thank you, sir. He only charged me $1.99 for all 3 of these shirts. So technically, I got all 3 of these shirts for under the regular price they would have charged me. God is amazing. I really didn't know he did that until I got in the car. Sure, I'm about to go back in there though. Y'all, I just got an idea before I close out this vlog. You'll see all my other little purses, right? And I'm always like, oh, what I'm gonna do with that area, whatever. So since I got that new little display thing I just showed you from Goodwill, I'm gonna see if that's gonna work and organize this area a little better and make it cute. So let's see what we can do. Uh-oh, hold up. Perfect. Oh my God, that turned out better than I thought it would. Oh yeah. Cuteness. Good morning. Okay, y'all, today is the next day. And yeah, it's the next day. So it's already, what's the time? Is it like 7:08 in the morning, my dudes and dudettes. And I'm already up because my son is coming over to cut my yard. But I told him he bought me a lawnmower. My son is amazing, by the way. He bought me a lawnmower. And I said, all right, bet I put it together, before you come over here. No, let me back up. He actually said he would put it together. I said, oh, I got it. Yeah, it is not together yet, y'all. So I'm going to try to put it together before he gets here. But I ain't tripping. I know he would, help me out or do it. But I thought it made more sense if it was already together. And go ahead and just cut that Jones, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, I'm going to try to tackle this. Pray for me. And let's start day number 2. What it gonna do with this vlogging stuff. And yeah. Y'all, the thing was pretty much already assembled, okay? So I'm looking at the dumbass, oh Lord, okay? I'm looking at the instructions. And they have me taking all this stuff loose. It's not explaining why. I didn't even have to take nothing loose, guys. So guess what? Now I can't put this bad boy back on the Jones. Because why? It's dumb. I don't know. Look. It won't go on this Jones. It just won't go in there, y'all. So I'm like, so why the hell y'all have me take it off? Why? So I just told my child to go ahead and bring some pliers because I thought I had pliers. I got needle nose pliers or whatever. It ain't gripping right. And maybe he can do it. I got, maybe old lady hands or something. It ain't getting the job done. But at least it's assembled. The only thing I gotta do is pull this thing, the starter thing, and attach it right there. You know what I'm saying? That ain't hard. So he should be good. We're just gonna gas it up, oil it up. It came with oil, praise be to God. So that's what that's at, y'all. See you when my child get here. My rescuer is here. Coroso! I got you, Kevin. Why is it raining now, y'all? It is literally so my life. But we're gonna still try to We can't make, every time we try to cut the yard, it's always something. And we got a lawnmower, guys. Yes! Oh my God, thank God for my child, Lord. Thank you, baby, for my lawnmower. Y'all said, get it. And that's it, y'all. The yard is cut. Praise be to God. All is good in the hood. I'm so thankful for my son. I just cannot express that enough. I'm tired, y'all. I am tired. And I'm about to holler at this shower. So this is the end of my first vlog. And I hope y'all enjoyed it or whatever. And hopefully many more to come. But we shall see. Till next time, I'm out.